everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be featuring this Marriott-inspired house and lot, fully furnished with swimming pool located in an exclusive subdivision in Angeles City near Clark and Koreatown, and that is just a 50-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosena, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start. Our lot area is 176 square meters and our floor area is 240 square meters floor area. What I love about this property, of course, corner lot. Tapos mapapansin nyo, may mga plants na tayo dyan. At nakapaligid sa ating property, yes, meron na tayong mga halaman. Ang ganda ng corner lot dahil sa view, kitang-kita mo yung bahay. Tapos, elevated pa siya. This is your entrance gate. Elevated siya. Flood-free community po dito, pero elevated yung pagkakagawa ng ating property. Aside from those plants outside, you have your landscape garden with artificial grass. Alam mo, nung tinignan ko to kanina, sabi ko, artificial ba talaga to? Kasi mukha talaga siyang natural grass. So, low maintenance. You have your pool area here. And this one, meron tayong door dito. This goes to your dirty kitchen, laundry area, and your maid's quarter. Ang maid's quarter po natin, may sarili silang bedroom, and of course, meron silang toilet and bath. Lahat nasa likod po yan. So, sa labas po yung ating maid's room. So, they have their privacy. Favorite ko dito. Ganda, no? Next. This side, before tayo pumasok, nandito yung ating parking area. This is a fully covered parking area, parking for two. Manual gate. Tapos meron kang window dyan. And ayan, fully covered po tayo. Pasok na tayo. And your door, solid door, massive door yan. Smart lock din to. Meron kang card, password, and fingerprint. I mentioned that this is fully furnished, so pasok na tayo. And pagpasok, alam mo, ang ganda ng lighting ng bahay na to. Kahit saan ka pumwesto, ang ganda ng photos. Okay, so this is your foyer, receiving area. At meron kang console dito at meron ka ring cabinet here na under your stairwell. Una ko talagang pinakita yun, no? Kasi tinamaan ko eh. So, yan. So, ito yan. And then, ang ganda ng view dito. Kung mapapansin nyo, open to below at high ceiling. And your living area. Ang cozy ng living area natin. Pwede kang nakaupo or ako kanina, nag-sit ako dun sa may carpet. Pero napaka-cozy niya. Diba? Yan. Ang ganda lang yung center table. Meron ka pang moss, ano to, diba? Artificial moss tong mga ganito. Ang ganda niya. Yung iba kasi, yung mga ganyan, nasa wall. This one, nasa pot siya. So, very nice. Very cozy. Ang ganda ng color. Pwede kang mag-add ng more colors dito. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng ibang kulay yung iyong mga throw pillows, perfect. Kasi lilitaw siya at neutral yung color ng ating living area. Next, your dining area. And I love the position of the TV. Kasi kung nasa living area ka, nasa dining area ka, kita mo yung TV. And even if nandun ka sa may breakfast nook, you're eating, makikita mo din siya. Dito naman sa curtain na to, ito ang daan kanina going to your pool area. So, pwede mo rin niyang buksan. Kasi itong ating pool area, pag binuksan mo, may ilaw yan, may waterfalls, and may mga, I think it's jetted also. So, may mga bubbles din siya. Diba? Ang ganda ng position nito. Ganda. So, you have a six-seater dining set. At very Filipino ang ating theme naman dito. Your formal kitchen. Lahat ng nakikita nyo, kasama po dyan. You have ang laki ng pantry mo. You can put a lot of things there. Lahat ng kailangan mo sa kusina. Of course, this fridge is also included. Your breakfast nook or your preparation area. Waterfall din yung design niya. When you say waterfall, dire-diretso siyang ganyan. Meron kang 3 stool. You have drop lights na napaka-cute. Ano sasabi ni Sir Darwin kanina, para daw petticoat ng nagde-debut. Ang cute, no? Very nice. And this one too, nice to. Ibigla natin. Ang maganda pa sa kanya, yung pwesto mo dito, maluwang pa. So, makakagalaw ka ng maayos. Dito yung sink natin. You have your induction cooker. And meron kang range hood dito. Hindi lang siya halata kasi not your usual range hood na malaki. Ang ganda nga niya kasi tignan mo, very aesthetic. Tsaka yung size niya, akala mo nandito lang siya sa cabinet. Meron tayong cabinets here, drawers, and eto yung daan. This door goes to your living area. Dirty kitchen, your maid's room, laundry area. Ito yung kaninang pinakita namin sa inyo. May mga gamit kasi, kaya ayaw namin ipakita. So, kapag nag-book na lang po kayo ng tripping schedule, makikita nyo po yan. May space ka pa dito, may saksakan ka. You can put dispenser here. Or pwede kang maglagay ng, alam mo yung mga cabinet na corner. Perfect siya dyan. Alright? Next. Dito po. Favorite ko to, ang ating entertainment room. Pagpasok mo, ayan po. This is your entertainment room. Ayan, manood po kayo ng video ng Blueprint Properties Pampanga dito. Diba? Kung ayaw mo dito sa sofa, pwede ka dyan sa carpet. And then, ang ganda ng ating wall. Meron tayong parang wallpaper na textured. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Matchy siya dito sa ating sofa. You have your TV that, of course, that is included. Your aircon is included. And then, ito, this is the view of your parking area. Yan. Okay. Dito sa side na to nako, baka hindi nyo nakita. This side, meron kang console dyan. This room is convertible. Kung ayaw mo siya entertainment room, pwede mong gawing extra room, pwede mong gawing study room, pwede mong gawing office. So, very convertible to, itong ating room dito. Next. Of course, sa ground floor, meron ka ring powder room. That is your powder room. You have a pedestal type lavatory sink. So, ito po, hindi siya mababa. Kasi iba, pag inisip nila pag stairwell, mababa siya. No, it's not. Pedestal type, maluwang pa nga siya. Alright, akyat na tayo kasi yung ibang rooms natin, nandun na sa second floor. Let's go. Ito ang iyong stairwell. Gusto ko lang makita nyo dahil meron tayong mga step lights dyan. I think nakita na rin yan sa mga B-rolls natin. And ang ganda ng view from here. Kitang-kita mo yung living area, dining area, and your kitchen. Ayan. Ito pa ang gusto ko dyan. Kung halimbawa, gusto mo ng natural light, ayan, buksan mo lang ang iyong malaking window. There, you have your fixed window there. Clear glass window. And look at your ceiling. You have a chandelier na napakaganda. Okay, akyat tayo. Sa second floor natin, lahat ng nandito mga bedrooms na. So, dito na tayo sa ating first bedroom. Itong first bedroom na to, para siyang junior suite. Alam mo yun, meron kang, okay, you have your cabinet here. Yan, and then may space ka pa dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng study table. This is a twin bed. And you have, tignan mo yung design niya. Ang ganda ng wallpaper talaga. And your paintings here. Artworks. Your headboard. Parang semicircle crescent moon yung design niya. These are all included. Lahat na nakikita nyo. The TV also is included. Of course, yung aircon. At meron kang balcony. Paglabas mo, ito ang iyong balcony. Maluwang siya. Dito mo naman. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table, rattan swing, add more plants. Pwede ka maglagay ng more plants dito. Pasok tayo. To the right tayo ha. So to the right, look at this, ang cute. Kung ayaw mo lagyan yan ng mga display, you want to put bags or shoes, pwede rin naman. Pero ang ganda niya na ganyan kasi aesthetic siya. You have your full bath here. Your smoked tempered glass. And your shower area. Makikita naman yun sa mga videos natin. Floor to ceiling ang ating tiles. Pedestal type pa natin lavatory sink. And of course, ayan ang inyong. Ang luwang, no? Doon sa side ng pedestal natin, pwede ka maglagay ng hamper. Ayan mo, may hamper na sila dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng hamper, trash bin. Kasyang-kasya pa. Another room. Cute ako dito sa room na to. Tignan mo naman siya. Meron kang study area. Dito ako bandaha. You have double deck na single bed. So this is custom made. Kasi saktong-sakto yung size niya. Pwede mo yung dyan lang or pwede mo iusog pa dito sa may likod. Pwede mo siyang isagad sa wall. Kasi maluwang pa yung space niya dito. So if you want, pwede mo siyang isagad pa dito. You also have your built-in cabinet. Na sobrang cute. Ang ganda naman ng cabinet na to. Cute. May mga shelves din tayo dyan. What I like about the rooms, pare-pareho yung wallpaper nila. Very elegant, very clean. Ay, ito pa. Look at that. Meron kang me time corner. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo na magbasa ng libro, tapos kung gusto mo na magsulat, dito ka. Yan. Ang ganda pa ng iyong chair. Alright, so this is your second bedroom sa iyong second floor. Next, you have another bedroom here. This bedroom, single bed. Lahat ang nakita. Tapos, hindi to ordinaryong bed, ha? This is 10 inches. If I'm not mistaken, this is 10 or 8 inches. Kasi usual natin is mga 6 inches, di ba? This one is, I think this is 10 or 8. Nasa dalawa. You have your bedside drawer. At meron ka rin namang window diyan. Your bedside drawer. Your bedside drawer. There you go. TV included, TV console, may mga drawers ka dyan. At nandito rin yung nabulol. Yan. Yan. That is your built-in cabinet. Ha? Naglag tayo doon. Ang gusto ko dito, tignan mo yung sa built-in cabinet niya, sagad sa ceiling. Kasi yung iba, may space. Nag-iipon lang yun ng kalat. Pero yan, sagad siya, oh. So, hindi yan mag-iipon ng kalat. Perfect. May space ka pa dito kung gusto mo maglagay ng table, pwede pa. Next, just appreciate the view from here. Your stairwell and kitang-kita mo yung door kung sinong dumating. Your chandelier, ang ganda. Diba? Perfect. Next, your master's bedroom. Yes. I love this chair. Ganda, no? Your me time corner, your devotion corner, pwede rin yung coffee corner mo. You have queen size bed. May space ka pa dito. Kung gusto mo pa ng isang bed, pwede ka pa maglagay. You have hanging side lamps. You have also your bedside drawer. And you have your hanging lamps. And of course, yung iyong magandang wallpaper. Very nice. Here, meron kang window, pero kung nakikita mo dito, bakit may balcony siya? Yes, may view deck ka. This goes to your balcony or your view deck. It's perfect pag kailangan mo lang, I need some air. O, diba? Dito siya. And kita mo yung paligid. Pasok tayo sa aking paborito. Walk-in closet. At hindi pinilit yung walk-in closet mo kasi napakaluwang pa dito sa gitna. So if you want to put mirror here, pwede ka maglagay kasi meron ka mirror dyan sa yung sink pero hindi siya full body mirror. So if you want, pwede ka maglagay ng full body mirror dito. And then you have this, your vanity area. This can also be your pwedeng office kung gusto mong gawing office to. Maganda yung space niya. May socket ka dyan. You have drawers here. So pwede itong vanity area, study area, or this can also be your workplace or your workstation. Your master's bathroom, ang bubulaga sa inyo ang yung undermount sink with your vanity mirror. And to your left, you have your shower area. Again, it's frosted. Floor to ceiling tiles pa rin tayo. At that side naman, your toilet. May space ka ba doon for hamper or for trash bin? Tignan mo yung view dyan, dito. Di ba ang luwang? Yan. So that's your master's bedroom. Balik na tayo sa ating ground floor for our recap. And for our recap, dito tayo sa aking favorite room. Sa favorite room ko dito sa property, this is your entertainment room. Of course, kasama yan sa highlights natin. But, umpisan muna natin. This is a Marriott-inspired house and lot located in a secure subdivision near Clark, Koreatown, and just a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Highlights of the property, yung location niya. Sa mga naghahanap po na malapit sa Clark, this is the property for you. And fully furnished siya with pool. So, pagpunta mo dito, damit na lang po ang dadalhin natin kasi nandito na yung mga gamit. Nakita nyo naman din, functional din yung ating kitchen. So, pagpunta nyo, pwede na rin kayo magluto. May refrigerator na rin dyan. May mga aircons na rin tayo. And, ayan, lahat ng rooms natin meron ng mga beds. So, pwede na po itong lipatan. And then, what else? Yung ating architectural design. Ang ganda-ganda niya dahil lalo na corner lot na maximize yung lot natin. Yung mga plants natin, di ba? Tagal kasi bago ka magpalaki ng mga plants eh. Pero itong property na to, surrounding your property, meron ka ng mga plants. So, kailangan mo na lang silang i-maintain, i-trim, or if you want to add more plants, pwede rin. You have 2 carport na fully covered. So, safe po ang ating mga cars. And what else? Gustong-gusto ko yung ating entertainment room. What I like about this, kung ayaw mo siyang maging entertainment room, pwede mo siyang makonvert to your office, another room, sa ground floor, if you want to have another room dito. Perfect din po itong ating room na ito. Favorite ko talaga to. What else? Yung design natin sa loob, yung color ng interior, pwede kang mag-add pa ng iba't ibang decorations, magpa-pop up for sure dahil napaka-neutral and warm ng ating color palette. What else? Yung ating, favorite ko pa, yung ating walk-in closet. Ang ganda ng walk-in closet natin kasi pwede rin siyang maging workstation. I work from home. So, yung corner na yon, when I saw that, that's really beautiful para sa mga nag-work from home kasi you really have to have your own space pag nag-work from home ka, and that is perfect, yung space natin doon. Tapos nasa likod mo, maluwang siya, kumbaga hindi pinilit yung size ng ating walk-in closet. So, perfect na perfect yung ating walk-in closet. So, if you're interested, sigurado nakita nyo na yung reels natin before nyo na napanood dito sa YouTube. At meron na rin for sure mga nag-tripping. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-book ng yung tripping schedule, well, book for tripping schedules now and you can contact us on Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok. Pwede ka rin mag-book ng trippings doon sa TikTok. You can message us on TikTok. You can also message me on TikTok. So, BP Pampanga po ang TikTok ng Blueprint Properties Pampanga. My TikTok account is Enalalu and Instagram account is Enalalu. So, you can book your trippings there. Kung napapanood mo to, i-book mo na ang tripping schedule at makita na ang property na ito. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please, if you like this video, give us a like and please don't forget to click, of course, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house be.